this is our example. Given a triangle where B is equal to 39 degrees, C is equal to 82 degrees, A is equal to 6.73 centimeters, find C. So in attempting the question, tinotanga kuita, we sketch the triangle. This should actually be known as a rule. Saka nsoda ngoiti step, unototi iwe rule number 1. Sketch the triangle. You cannot answer these questions unless you have a really special brain. Such a brain I do not have. In personally, I am not that genius to be able to answer my questions erudzi uru. It's not sketch a triangle passing. So that is my advice. It's my rule as an instructor that you should actually sketch the triangle. So we are told in the question, Kuti, this is a triangle where we have an angle called B. Saka, let us say this is the angle B. B is what? 39 degrees. And it zvanzi, so this is B. Tokona kunyora B yacho iri kunze kunoku like this. Zvanzi C is 82 degrees. Todai, this is going to be C, 82 degrees. Zvova zvanzi, saka we have A panapa. Takaiudzwa here kuti A ndiani? Hatina kuiudzwa ndi angle yacho. We are just told with the side, it's small letter A is equal to 6.73 centimeters. Question yedu iri kuti find C. Saka C anga ari kupi? C anga ari kunoku. Nemhaka yaitamisa panapa instead of panapa. Inayo kuti C anga ari the opposite of what? This interior angle. Saka C anenge ari uku. What we have to do is, kana tichida kushandisa sign rule, this is actually going to help and going to be the decider between kuti unoshandisa sign rule here kana kuti unoshandisa cosine rule. When we are using the sign rule, we should have a situation where we have a side with its corresponding interior angle. Kana kuti we have an interior angle with its corresponding side. Tinofanirwa kuva ne pair iri full. Kureva kuti tofanirwa kuva ne interior angle tori neside rayo. Then tozoita interior angle isina side. Kana question ichida kuti titsvage side. Sometimes richava side risina interior angle. Kana question ichida kuti titsvage interior angle. Saka know this kuti we should have what? We should have a full pair. A full pair. And by full pair tokureva kuti tine both side neinterior angle and one pair with a missing. Chirikuita missing chacho ndoinge iri question. So stay with me here kuti munyatsokuona ndiri kurevei. Answering that question, tachatanga kuita toda kuziva kuti angle A ndiani. So we know from primary that the sum interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know this from primary. Saka, if we say angle A plus B plus C, it should be equal to what? 180 degrees. Then we need to find what? Angle A. Not A anosara ari kunoku is equal to B unoyu ndi positive. Akacrossa equal sign anosvika richi negative. Saka totanga tanyora positive 180 agara ariko ku right hand side kuno put minus B minus C like this. Kutsvaga A. So A is equal to 180 degrees minus what is B? B into 39 degrees minus what is C? C into 82 degrees. Since we are working with the assumption that this is paper 2, tikaenda mucalculator medu tikanoti 180 minus 39 minus 82 tinowana 59. So A is equal to 59 degrees. Panapa, it's 59 degrees. Tatsvagirei A. We want to satisfy this condition. We need a full pair. Saka since taudzwa kuti small letter a, which is the side, corresponding side to a, 6.73, we need to know kuti angle yacho inge imbori chii. You understand? Saka that is why tatsvaga a. Taziva a manje. From the back of our mind, ndichinyora the sign rule, I want to explain something to you. When you think you are not handy with formulas, kuti ubate formula, hunge wakamashandisa again and again. And kumashandisa again and again comes with practice. You are practicing questions. You make sure that a day does not pass usina a ZIMSEC question or a Cambridge question yaunenge waita attempt. But if you did not have sufficient practice, or let us say your memory is not that eidetic, your memory is not that photographic, you quickly forget my formulas. When you get into your ZIMSEC examination, before warwa nepanic attack, before waconfuse wane anything, pepa riya rinenge riri rekuwekera. Anti munopiwa mapepa ekuwekera with, they are supplied by the school, the sender. Take that paper, write down all the formulas you think you are going to forget before you open the question paper. Kuitira kuti when you now open the question paper, ukasangana question that require that formula, you already have it handy. If you proceed to advanced level mathematics, you are going to be given a formula booklet, because my formulas are ngawanda. It's unexpected kuti student ikwanise kubata. We can talk of hundreds of formulas. But when you now cross over from high school to tertiary education, you are not given no formula sheet. In most courses I know, you are expected to know them offhand. So that is the order. Saka panapa, putting down the rule, we are going to do what? The rule says, panapa tikutsvaga, ngatingonyora the basic rule, sin A over sin A is equal to B over sin B, which is equal to C over sin C. Okay. How do we apply this? Zvatinoita ndezvekuti, this is our triangle, this is the formula, this is where we are. Saka panapa taweka tikaona this is 59 degrees. What we are going to do is, tichati, what is the full pay? The full pay is A over sin A, 8 side tinaro, interior angle 8 nayo, is equal to, what is the missing, which is not what is the question. Question is find C. Saka tichanyora C arikudiwa over the sine of C, like this. All right, let us now substitute. Talking of substitution, tirikuti A ambori chi, A ndi 6.73 over what? What is the sine of A? A uyu ndiani? This is the sine of what? 59 degrees. This is equal to C what tiri kuziva over the sine of what is C? C ndi 82 degrees. 82 degrees, like this. Mapaona, it's as easy like this. So taapo manje, we now need to figure out what C tinomuwana say. The goal is to isolate C. The C asare ari ku its own hand side, either the right or the left hand side. Then zvimwe zvese zvounganidzwa mathematically one side. Saka, what we are going to do basically is, depending on what you are comfortable with, you can think of it as some form of cross multiplication. Kuti we want to cross multiply, but I'm not going to assume kuti you are comfortable with cross multiplication. What rather I'm going to do is, I'm going to introduce the base principle. Toda tisiya salary ega. Saka we are going to multiply kuside kuno na sine of 82 degrees. Why tichimultiply na sine of 82 degrees? Because tikuda kucheka ichi zvikacheka na siyasara ari ega. But zvataita ku right hand side tofanirwa kuzviita ku left hand side kuitira kuti equation yedu irambe iri balanced. So this is a method introduced in Form 1 algebra, balancing the equation. Kureva kuti kuno kuti tichauya todi multiply na sine of 82 degrees. But looking at what we have done panapa, zvinongoreva kuti 6,73 times sine 82 degrees sainonyorwa yakadai so. Ndomanyoro atinoita. Tanga kunyora namba usonyora the sign. Hatigoni kunyora sine 82 tonyora namba kumberi. That's not how it's done. So if we multiply these numerators, sine 82 degrees times 6.73, we get this. This is over sine 59 degrees. This is equal to C. Therefore, we can now find the value of C. We are not given the degree of accuracy, but we are going to assume that we should leave our answer correct to 2 decimal places, because A apiwa are correct to 2 decimal places. So if you have a powerful calculator enough like the one I'm using, you can actually put that equation as it is. Ngoinyora at 6.73 sine 82 over the sine of 59. Then make sure your calculator is in degrees. I'm sorry if you wrote it deck. Could answer your wrong. Then C is equal to what? It's gonna answer is 7.78 centimeters. This is the value of C I'm getting. Of course, it's correct to 2 decimal places. So our answer should take the form of the question. Remember, saka question medu tine value ya A it given to 2 decimal places. We assume that answer yedu should also give it to 2 decimal places. That is how it is done. So panapa, be careful. It's just normal operation yekudila nema fractions. Kana tine ma equations and ma fractions. Just normal operation. So atakaita kutopika ye subject of formula ndo zvatangu apply panapa.